Okay, let me fight it first.
What is that mysterious ticking noise? Over here?
Kind of
Catchy. Snipe. Snipe.
Shadow of snake.
Snipe.
Snake. Shadow of snake. Dumbledore.
Snipe.
Shadow of snake.
Keep going.
Shadow of snake. Dumbledore.
Snipe.
Ron Weasley. Ron Weasley. Ron Weasley. Ron Weasley. Sing a song all day long and fireworks. I found the source of the ticking. It's a light bulb. Yay! Dun, 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 dun.
Good job, Jackson.
I did it. Now can I watch this